Hello rare coin lovers, this is Scare 20 paise commemorative FAO means World Food Day coin of 1982 of Hyderabad Mint. You may see here star mint mark below 1982. Metal is aluminium. Weight is 2.4 grams. Diameter is 26 millimeters. Shape is hexagonal, six-sided. Rarity: Hyderabad Mint had produced 73% coins in 1982, while Calcutta Mint had produced only 33% coins. As per Numista website. That's why Hyderabad minted coins are scarce and Calcutta minted coins are rare. Hyderabad minted each coin is costing ₹1,000 today in uncirculated condition, and Calcutta minted each coin is costing ₹1,200 today in uncirculated condition. Please refer ZZ Collection website for the values. On this reverse side, grain spring within stylized sun design. World Food Day is engraved in English. And Vishru Khadya Divas is engraved in Devanagari. 1982 star mint mark means this coin is minted in Hyderabad Mint. Plain edge. On this obverse side, Ashoka lion pillar, which is the national emblem of India. Bharat in Devanagari, India in English, paise in Devanagari, paise in English, value 20 paise. Thank you for watching.